Okay, pag-aralan ko naman po ngayon kung paano patutugtugin ang Uhaw by Dilaw. Una ko pong i-master ay ang chord na C. Tapos, ang strumming pattern po natin ay down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Para hindi po mawala, kailangan nating muna sa